This is question 7 from the Methods practice paper, Unit 2, so it's a calculated paper, and we've got a few percentage decimal fractions questions to have a go at. So first of all, it's asking us to increase £820 by 35%. I'm going to use the multiply method, which means that for a 35% increase, I can use a multiplier of 1.35, which means I'm trying to find what 135% is, because I've got my original 820 and then I'm increasing that by a factor of 1.35, and that will take me straight to my answer. And that gives me 1107. For the second question, it's asking us to work out what 56 as a percentage of 64 is. It's like working out your test score on a test. So 56 out of 64, and to turn it into a percentage we times it by 100. So we've got 56 divided by 64. You can see that 7/8 was a decimal 0.7875, times that by 100. And we see that we get 87.5%. Next question asks us to order these. I'm going to leave them as decimals where I can, so the first two are fine. So we've got 0.35, we've got 0.3, and that dot means recurring, so we've got 4, 4, 4, 4, and so on. 1/3, you need to know that that is the same as 0.3 recurring, and then finally 33.4% can be converted to a decimal by dividing by 100. So if needs be, on a calculator paper you can convert a percentage to a decimal by dividing by 100. Now that I've put them one on top of the other, it should be fairly easy to identify the largest. If you're unsure about what to do with ones that say 334 and 35, just put some zeros on the end. And then slowly but surely you can start going through. So first of all, we could compare the tenths column, and you'll see that they're all the same. So our next port of call is to look at the hundredths column, and we'll see that the largest number is the top one, because it's got the highest number in that column. So our largest is going to be 0.35. Next largest is going to be the one below it, because it's got a 4 in the hundredth column. So our 0.34 recurring is our next largest. Well, it's inconclusive with the next two, because they've both got 3 and then a 3. So you have to go to the following one to realise that the bottom one is the next largest. 0.334, or actually, as I should write, the number that we were given originally, which is 33.4%, and then finally that leaves us with 1/3 being the smallest. So the best way to compare these numbers is to convert them all to either decimals or percentages, really.